Trimflow is a Blender add-on that turns your trim textures into non-destructive decals. Trim decals follow curves and conform automatically to the surface of your objects. They can run parallel or behind each other on the same curve, and they can even have heads and tails with the tiling part in between. Trimflow can be used for the placement of basically any repeating pattern. Once you have created a trim texture, you can use it again and again for many purposes. Every property of a decal can easily be adjusted and changed anytime. Trimflow is based on geometry nodes, but comes with its own custom-made interface. This makes it very easy to use and adds lots of handy features that will save you time and clicks. Use it to quickly add and adjust details. Try out ideas. Your meshes don't even need to be unwrapped yet. Iterate on your art instead of painting destructively onto your assets. Bake trims into masks to use them later in your workflow. Or use them directly in your Blender material, still completely non-destructively.